Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a closet cleanup. It has been a while since I've cleaned it out. There's a lot of stuff in there that's been in there for years. Some of it I've never worn. It still has tags on it. And you know, once you get into your 30s, you've accumulated a lot of clothes, so I really need to get in there and get it cleaned out. We're going to start with taking everything out of the closet and throwing it on the bed. This is my boyfriend's suit, so I'm just gonna go and put it in his closet right now. Alright, this isn't too bad compared to some of the closet cleanouts I've seen before. So this definitely seems manageable and doable within a few hours. So yeah, I'm just gonna start going through things and see what I want to keep and what I want to get rid of. So these are some formal dresses that I don't know if I'm ever gonna wear them again, but I really like them and really would like to wear them again. But yeah, they might get tossed in the next closet cleanout. I love this dress. I've worn it several times. It's just very simple and easy to wear. Yeah, I really like this dress. I'm not decided on this one. I like it, but I don't know if I'm ever gonna have a place to wear it again, but it's always good to have long dresses on hand. This dress I've never worn. I like it, but it's not really my style, and I don't foresee myself ever wearing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this one. This is probably my favorite dress that I own. It's the perfect little black dress. It's perfect for weddings. It's perfect for any formal event. I really love it. Probably gonna go ahead and get rid of this dress. I wear it a lot at my university job. It was the school colors, but yellow is not my color, so I'll probably never wear it again. This dress I've had for years. I've never worn it, so I should probably go ahead and get rid of it. Alright, I have these two blazers. I like them. I kind of forgot I had them, and I could be wearing them to work. But let me know down in the comments if blazers are still in style or not really. This is another shirt. I like it on a hanger, but I don't like it on, so I've never worn it. It still has the tags on, so I need to go ahead and get rid of it. I really like this color in general, but I never gravitate towards wearing it, and I don't know if I've ever even worn either of these shirts, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of both of them. Love this color on me, but this shirt is cut really weird. The tags are still on it, so I need to get rid of it. Same with these. I never worn this shirt. I wear this shirt on occasion, so I'll go ahead and keep this one and get rid of this one. Alright, we are making pretty quick progress, which is very exciting, and I've already gotten rid of several things, so my closet will be a lot more usable and have a lot more space. Alright, the last section I think it's going to be kind of a speed around because I know what I wear for work and what I don't, so I'm just going to go through that pretty quickly. This is my favorite shirt that I have right now. I wish this shirt fit better. I love the color of it, but it doesn't fit right. It sits very weird, so I've never really worn it. It's gotta go. Same with this shirt. I love it on the hanger. It looks so cute, but like, it just sits weird. It doesn't look right. So, gotta go. Well, that's gone pretty quickly. It's making it easy because I do keep my closet pretty organized, so it is going pretty quickly because I can just put everything right back where it was, just get the stuff out that I don't want. Alright, now we're moving on to sweatshirts. I don't have too many sweatshirts, so I don't know if I'm going to end up getting rid of any, so, but let's see. Forgot I even had this. Don't really wear it, obviously, since I forgot I had it, but even before, when I knew I had it, I didn't wear it much. Don't really gravitate towards it. Alright, yeah, those sweatshirts were really easy, and alright, and we actually don't have a whole lot left until we go on to shoes and miscellaneous stuff. I love this jacket. It's actually the perfect time to pull it out. It's just starting to get really cold here, so yeah, I need to get this out on the coat rack so I actually grab it and wear it. Same with this one. Now the dress pants I do need to be a little bit more harsh with. I don't really wear dress pants to work anymore. I don't have to, thankfully. Obviously I do want to keep some just in case there's any like training or something I need to go to that I need to dress nicer for, but yeah, I need to be kind of harsh with these, but I don't know if I'm gonna be. Love a good pencil skirt. I like these, they're very comfy, but I don't wear them a lot. I don't know. Why is it so hard to get rid of clothes? Yeah, these I never wear. Still have the tags on them. I've had these for a long time. I still have the tags on them. I love the color. It's my favorite color. I always go back and forth on getting rid of them every time I do a closet clean out. They're gonna stay for one more round. I like these feel comfortable, but they sit weird. They're not very flattering, so they're gonna go. These are sweatpants. You gotta keep those. Same with these. I like the style of these, but not really for me. jeans. I like real jeans. I hate that every company is going to the stretchy material, even like Levi's. These are Levi's. They've shrunk so much and I've only worn them like 5 times or washed them like 5 times. Let me know in the comments a good jean company that's still jean material, denim material. Alright, last pair of dress pants. I never wear these. They gotta go. Make it a little easier to get these in. I'm just gonna set these to the side because I'm not sure I actually want to put these in the closet. I know I'm accessible because I do use them a lot, but where they were wasn't working very well. Alright, we're gonna move on to shoes. I don't have too many shoes in here. The ones that I wear on a day-to-day basis are out in the entryway, but I know there are a few in here that I could get rid of. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get rid of these 3. Alright, I have a few things up top that I need to get down and move around and get rid of, so I'm going to do that now. I don't know what my boyfriend wants to do with this panda costume. I don't want it. Do you want it, Mabel? Do you want it, Mabel? No? Okay. Yeah, I think I'm going to put my bags up there. That pillow's old, probably needs to be thrown away. This needs to be folded better. Probably put somewhere else. And then I'll ask my boyfriend about his panda costume. Yeah, the only thing left is really this blanket on the floor. There's a bunch of holes in it. I was planning on fixing it, but I've never gotten around to it. So I just need to toss it and buy a new one. Alright, the panda's going way up on top. Alright, that's looking and feeling so much better. I got rid of more stuff than I thought I was going to. I got more space in my closet, and it just feels good to get rid of some stuff. I would like to switch all my hangers out to those felt ones, just because I do have certain things that always slip off the hangers anytime I get something out. But if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Okay. Right here, lay down. Lie down. Lie down. Sick. Okay. No, we're gonna be late. No. Maybe we'll stop. We'll stop.